go, got it all back together now. So for a quick test drive, see what it's like. Needs a bit of oil, but I'll just go for a short drive. The important thing is there's no more noises from these bearings. And what else? Shit, about time. Steering feels a bit better. I'm going to check the tyres don't seem to be crunching quite as much when I'm doing sharper turns. So, let's go out on the road. Okay, I'm tired though, I'm aching all over from this. I've been up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, all over the place, backwards and forwards. My elbow's still hurting bad, probably worse. That wasn't helping. Seems alright, I'm not really hearing anything. What will I want? Left hand turn, left hand turn. What the fuck's that mirror got back down for? Stay there, don't go down. We did pack the bearings out with grease, red grease, and I'm not sure if you need to do that on these because they're lubricated by the diff oil. So I'm not sure if they mix together or whether it'll do anything, but I wiped off as much as I could. Still got it inside the bearings, but I've got it all off the outside, whatever. Right, left turn. Hopefully that's it. I think the diff oil comes on Tuesday. I've put those nuts back on, but I've put spring washers. Hopefully the spring washers will help it, but I'm not going to drive around too much until I replace those nuts. Everything I've heard about them is that they come undone. So cannot find what type of nuts. Even blokes in America have been helping me, and they can't believe I can't just go into a hardware store and get them. So we don't even have anything like that over here anymore. And that thread on that nut is nothing that we use over here. I thought it was an American thread. Hardy thinks it might be Japanese, but either way, it's on this car and it's very difficult to find them. Considering they make a big point of always change them when you do the bearings, they're not really available. But maybe when I'll call Brackley up tomorrow from work on my break and ask if they sell them. If they know where I can get them. Right, that's it. That job done, finished. Just all the others now. Adios.